Hey guys, it's Claire here. Claire's Beautiful Nails. I've not been on for a while. Been trying to sort my room out, but still doing it. But I thought I better open this box that I got from Hazel. I did a little order. I think it's quite a big order, and I think I better open it now. Oh, there you go. Oh, that's a little thing. Little order.
Got snippet new Hazel Dixon polishes as well, and snippet also got the essential moment. Got some cleanser. We got some more packet. Pigmented color for that. I've got the new ombre brush to go with my collection. I can't see it at the moment much, but I needed some new end tools as well, so we did cuticle brush. So I've got got a feeling I need some of those and show you properly anyway. Remove it. You've got other first, just stick it on, so it'll be easier to show it when the box is out of the way.
Now everything is out of the way. So I got 250ml remove it solution, 250ml prep it, 250ml cleanse it, and some more 250ml artist monomer. So got a couple of the stylet tools that Hazel does, because I needed a new cuticle pusher anyway, so I decided to get that one, and another pair of cuticle nippers. So the easy tips, as I said, I've got some medium almonds, I've got some short ovals, and I've got some long coffins. And I'm going to be trying all these out and see how they go. I also got another tapered diamond drill bit and the round safety drill medium bit. Needed those, and the lovely, keep it in its side,